you are not selecting for the rectangulars and squares, circulars in area calculation point of view? Can anyone tell me why you select only for the this process, triangular process, why you are selecting? Please tell me. Okay, anyway, I will tell you. For the wire means the accuracy, number of accuracy will be more because of the triangle anywhere will be given of the 3 points will be easy to understand, easy to joining the area calculation purpose, and rectangular 4.5 points hexagon everything is a difficulty for serving for calculation. Next, the plane survey is and geometric survey. There are 5-6 types will be there with including diagrams. First of all, I will plane survey discuss the effective curvature of not be considerations in plane survey. In geodetic survey will be considerations. The plane, the survey, the surface of the earth is taking on the plane. The involves the spherical of the trigonometrical and is called as trigonometrical surveys. These here trigonometrical survey is nothing but the calculation part will be taking for the different areas and different measurements will be useful. Why? Because means here will be area will be accuracy will become the area of the survey of the less than 250 kilometers. In geodetic survey, the area greater than 250 kilometers also survey too easy, because only for 10 minutes is there. Again I will be meeting will be joined. Okay, wait, after 10 minutes again will be joined, another link I will send. Okay, next coming to the degree of accuracy is low. In geodetic survey, degree of accuracy is high, very high, because the everything will be point of view for the in satellites image, everything will be there for the different field areas, measurements, everything will be useful. Next coming to the plane survey is conducted by the state and agencies and like irrigations department, railway department. Plane survey who is conducted means plane survey means. And next, geodetic survey is conducted by the GTS means. What is the GTS means? Survey of India department. Survey of India department. Here will be one figure is the line as a margin of line. In geodetic survey, zigzag will be manner will be there. Okay, zigzag manner will become. Okay, different types of scales and plane scales, diagonal scales, vernier scales, and normal scales. Okay, next coming to the convention symbols. Convention symbol, why you are using for the convention symbols? Can anyone explain why you are using for convention symbols?
Sir, it gives the information.
Which type of information? Which type of information?
We can identify the. We can identify easily, sir.
Okay, next, any more?
Sir, information includes turning of roads or any railway crossings, etc. Sir.
Any more? Remaining peoples? What happened? Remaining peoples? Tell me.
Sir, while preparing a map, it will be used, sir.
Next. Another person's please response. Everyone in your class will be there. Everyone, please respond. Response. Already I will figure some figures will be put it here in PPT. Please tell me what is the major thing or major concept. Please everyone involved, because this
To
is
know
a
the
class.
topography of the area, sir.
Very good, very good. Next. Boundaries lines. Next, pounds, trees. Tell me, everyone tell me. Means before signing means single line, double line, railway track means why you're given for the, tell me why you're before how many kilometers or meters. Mention the what is the danger place, everything will be, this is a signing symbols. Now before how many meters will be provide, how many kilometers or meters, tell me, no problem. In meters also no problem, in kilometers, in tell me anyone. Be fast, tell me. Okay, 500 meters or half an hour kilometers will be before, means will be driver will be alert, means accidents will be reduced. The major concept will be accidents will be reduced, and next and fuel pumps, and next prayer houses, and next we'll coming to the different areas like hospitals and different railway stations and embankments and cutting. Sometimes will be road constructions, bridge constructions. This is you very useful for the convention symbols to traffic, the diversion, the traffic, the different process, like we'll be taking for the different point of views. Like example you take for the different areas, and different will be using for different criteria. Next, coming to the shrinkage maps. The drawing and prepare a map for the due to the changing of atmospheric conditions like the temperature and humidity. Why you are using for the shrinkage map means that before you intimate the how much of the rainfall and how much of the sunrise and sunset, everything will be how much of the requirement that times will be using for the shrinkage, how much humidity will be there, temperature means depends upon crop rates, and different types of will be using for the very important for shrinkage map. Due to the all the mark for the all shrinkage for the error into the measurements taking in a map, means sometimes we came for the maps errors, sometimes maps errors. The ratio of shrinkage length line of the map of the actual length is a template for the some formulas will become shrinkage factors. Like example, in exam point of view will become, this is a major thing for the chain or tape, 30 meters, 20 meters chains, and 5 to 30 meters of different types of tapes. Like example, cloth tape, steel tape, and next elastic tape. Everything will be there. Different types of will be using for the serving point of view in measurement. The prismatic compass and ranging rod. Prismatic compass will be angle measurements. Ranging rod will be given for the condition of the ranging. The purpose will be used. The already I will discuss for auto level and leveling stuff. Auto level will be used for the different angles measurements. Like auto level will be given for the different process. Like example, for the first of all your tripod will be set up, will be taking for the different areas. Like example you take for the building height measurements, the times will be leveling will be requirement. The different between level means the leveling stuff will be using for the areas for the different. Here already will be discuss, will be there for the blue and white and black mark will be there. The times will be using for the different process, like 0.005 mm will be there. The times will be using for the different process. Next, coming to the theodolite point of view. Theodolite point of view will be given for the manual calculation, but not given electronic measurements. Sometimes will be manual errors, sometimes not proper plumbing and centering will be not proper, means angles are some difference, plus or minus 5 degrees. Sometimes will be acceptable. Next, coming to the total illustrations will be better than to the theodolite. For the accuracy will be there, not using for the 2 persons is enough for the prism, and one is technical person and another is the helper. For the using for the different coordinates and levelings will be taking for the different areas. Like example, nowadays will be important for total illustration with GPS connectivities, means minimum 4 satellites will be required. Why here 4 satellites, maximum 32? 4 satellites will be given for the different areas, will be calculating for the different purpose, for different measurements for the all areas, and raw data will be given, soft data will be converting for the GS software. This is the linear distance measurements, this approximately methods, the always horizontal slopes. Next, no way check for error other than remaining. This is a process for the different areas for the A and B line horizontal distance measurement. This is the normal old days will be conducting. Direct methods, direct method conventing of the process of the downhill areas, and next step shall be horizontal. Sufficient pull of the avoid the slack, and length of the step of the investment. What are the D equal to, how to find out the distance means L1 plus L2 plus L3, means step by length into height will be calculated, easy to 1 by 1 will be added, total A to B will value will become. This is a process. the chain survey in different types of chain survey metric, Guntur chain, next engineering chain, revenue chain, and steel, and different types of 20 meters, 30 meters, and how many feet and how many links already will be discussed here. Coming to the tape, just now I will tell you metallic tape and steel tape and cloth tape, inverted tape. Ranging dot, direct ranging, indirect ranging will be there, two methods. The ranging AB will be there, the times will be using for the different. Indirect ranging means the times will not visible 2 points. A and B will not visible, the times will be center points, means coincide values will be taking in center, midpoint will be consideration, A and B will be visible, that point is considered as NR or PQ, anything will be taken, no problem. Interval will be going on. Tape corrections also there, tape corrections, slopes and slag and temperature, the times will be using for tape correction process. The prismatic compass will be, I will again will be explained in next class. Okay, prismatic compass.